Welcome to our channel. It's the Avas. We do our intro. And we're here with Katie and Haley, and we were at Ikea. So, yeah, we're just the folks. OTD. This is for YouTube. So we're just like walking around.
Yeah, we're just like.
Look at how cute
Katie
this
thinks
is.
that this is her future apartment, but
It's so cute. So we're gonna do like a couple of games later.
Welcome.
But we literally just got here. Wait, everyone hiding the seat.
Guys, the lighting here is good. It's a workshop.
Mandy Moore has this in her room. I'm gonna cut that out. That's awkward. She's obsessed with Mandy Moore. We all know that. Aww, look how cute it is.
I drew that.
How much is this?
The corkboard?
$16.99.
No, this picture.
The corkboard is only $16.99.
I'm gonna
That's for
photo
one
it.
square of it.
Oh.
So we'll see you guys later when we're playing. Okay, so I'm like hide and seek. Yeah, and in this little area because it's like a lot of stuff. But like,
yeah.
guys, don't come near us. And we're gonna hide right now. Yes, there is. Just look at all these chairs. Like, right. Okay, guys, so they're over there. I don't know if you can see that.
They're gonna be able to see us. They can probably see us right now.
Everyone else is staring at us.
I know.
Us. They actually can't find us.
I don't think they're looking yet.
They're walking around.
I know. Oh, I see Katie. She's coming. Get down.
Oh yeah.
I think
over
my mom
there.
is with them.
Yes, they're over there.
Oh god,
they see us. It sounds like we don't see them.
they didn't see us. Oh my god, they just blocked.
Oh my god, they didn't see us.
Advice. What do you want to know? I don't know. Let's just. How are you doing, Ava?
Hello.
Don't know what to talk about.
So if you guys, I'm gonna talk about IKEA. So if you guys don't know what IKEA is, it's basically like everything. Literally, there's chairs, like there's like models of like
they have,
as you guys already
showrooms.
seen. Yeah, and there's a bunch of like knickknacks, snacks. No, I don't know. And all that stuff. So it's just like all of this, but there's like different. It's a different language. It's good. I like that stool. So okay, obviously we know they went this way.
I bet they're gonna be like in here.
So this has a bunch of stuff. Oh, where? I just lost Haley. Oh, never mind, found you. I don't know where she is. I bet we're gonna find them fast. They probably went over here by the kitchen.
They probably did. But like, we're sitting like behind these things.
I don't think they can fit right here. If I was them, I would hide over here, but no, where are they?
I see them. They're okay. It's possible that we put that one on there.
They just don't like.
My mom.
Yeah.
There's these people right there.
Okay, guys, that was round one, so we'll come back for another round two later. Katie's vlogging now, yeah. Okay, we're gonna do round two later. Isn't that so cute? Who's calling you? Look at this. Look at this. Aw, the mini. Oh my god.
Okay.
Look at this kitchen.
This is like apartment. What is this?
Okay, this is round two. Ava and Haley are hiding and we're counting. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
We're in a little baby room and it's super cute.
Look. It's cute. Look, 7. Ooh,
Sure. Okay, they make these rooms so big, but then give us these tiny showers.
Oh wow, that didn't show.
Oh my god, the little baby socks. Are you showing them the shower? Show them this little baby room.
Katie.
Guys, look at this room. There's like a little changing table and a little crib. And then the little baby onesies.
Katie loves babies.
I do love babies. And then I'm gonna start. Nice, Ava. She just tripped over that. I think it's probably a good time to go start.
Oh my god,
finding
so awkward. Everyone, oh my god, I just tripped on that and the people were walking by.
They definitely went this way.
Definitely think I'm psycho. Okay,
There's like
so
a
we're
lot
gonna
of good
find
places.
them.
Oh my god, look at all the beds. They're definitely hiding in here. Oh my god. They're in the shower. They're in the shower. I just asked them. Look at there's a bro up there.
I know.
Okay. I saw Haley's head.
Okay, so we're gonna go hide now. Just hiding in one of like the closets.
It looks like Hollister.
I know. But like there's like a wall in front of us, so they can't see us if
They could see us if they walk that way.
yeah. So then we'll just shift our butt.
Are you kidding me?
We were gonna hide here.
They just found us.
Guys, you guys have the worst spot ever. Because we were gonna hide in here. Yeah, we were literally gonna hide in here. And then we were like, now it's too late.
Guys, we're gonna do round 3. We're gonna go hide. Come on. This main area.
Yeah, this area.
Okay.
I wanna like get in one of these shelves.
Visa credit card turns everyday purchases into
Her tutorials way back.
open and use your
I bet you like
net $25
Oh,
off.
that's not how you do it.
Subject to
It's her last.
certain terms, conditions, and exclusions apply. See a
Go
coworker
boop,
or
boop,
visit
boop.
IKEA
Hair elastic was very thin. I usually use scrunchies to do it.
there you have
And
it.
the rest
That's how you
just
do
fall
the
out.
classic Ava bun.
Put my back here.
You're gonna know because you
Going in. Oh my god.
don't have room for me.
Yeah, you have to move this though. Outside. Oh my god, this worker's gonna come. I'm gonna sit my phone under here. There's no one. Do you guys want to know we're literally in a shelf? Yeah. Like under a comforter. Also, oh my god. So you guys are heading spot after they find us. Yeah. Because they're not gonna find us. And they're not gonna find us, they're gonna call us. Yeah. Because I turned my ringer off because they're literally never gonna find us, guys. This is such a good spot.
I have the comforter that matches those ones, but I don't know if I like that. I like that one.
Looking at the comforter.
Oh my god, I found them!
Oh shoot. How did you see us?
Haley's jacket was
Haley.
I'm so
In there.
yeah,
It's
like
the sheets.
under this thing.
Under
It's
it.
like yeah.
Yeah.
and Haley's arm is sticking
Yeah,
out.
Haley's
so-
arm's sticking outside.
No, it's because I went to go pull this over.
There was someone that like this. They're like, oh my god, yeah, I like this.
Yeah, I was-
and there was like, how did they not see them?
Okay, we're gonna go. I just saw Haley's head. They're coming this way.
Shoot.
Get in here, get in here.
So we had to run from them because we weren't ready, and they were coming our way.
Yeah, we're just standing in these like sheets. I don't see them anywhere. We're just like in this area. Trying to see if I can see them coming.
Oh.
Oh my god!
Making a scene in Okay, guys, Ikea.
uh,
I definitely saw you down there.
Yeah,
Weren't you
then
guys
we
down
ran
there?
over there.
Oh my god. Katie's still running. What is she? Katie, oh my god. What the heck? We literally snuck up on the ground. We were like this. And we thought you were there. They were over there and they went up and around.
saw you guys running after this.
Okay, bye guys.
We sprinted around. Haley and I went like this on the side.
It's so big.
This is really hard for
We're talking about the
me.
bird
I saw it
box.
twice. We saw one so good. And I couldn't stop laughing.
Oh yeah.
Because it was completely silent and I laughed when it's silent. It was completely silent when in the beginning the little kid was like running around like choking me.
Okay guys, we're on a mission to look for chocolate. The bird box.
Ending.
Close your eyes. This is kind of fun, actually, kind of cool, kind of fresh. Guys, our hunt is for markers and chocolate, everyone. Markers and chocolates.
Did you buy the chocolate?
Yeah. All right. I don't really know what's happening. Just get it, just because. Same. I don't. Same.
Oh my god. We've literally been here for like an hour.
Oh my god, guys.
Oh my god.
Guys,
Power is out.
so good thing you're vlogging. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Stop.
What if I'm
Guys,
actually
shut up, Katie. Oh my god. I'm so scared.
It's fine, guys. We're fine.
Oh my
Oh my
god.
god, my mom is all the way over there by herself.
Plot twist.
Oh my god.
Put your flashlight on.
Mom,
Put your flashlight
let's
on.
go get her.
I'm vlogging this. So
Mom, where are you?
I'm so scared. Because this is me.
Okay. Somebody's gonna pop out.
Stop.
Guys.
Mom, power off.
I need to go get this.
We're just gonna wait a minute and see what happens.
Because we were just talking about the bird box and boom, this happens.
I know.
No big deal.
This clickbait. Power went out, dying in Ikea.
Your vlog. How?
I'm showing you like everywhere, but like there's nothing. It's so dark.
Yeah, the lights, as you guys saw, the lights started flickering like a lot, and then they just went off completely.
Everyone screamed. Your mom's looking at rugs.
We screamed.
I like how we're freaking out, but like the 2-month-old babies are like completely calm. Oh, we're back.
She got the whole thing on video.
And
Yeah.
like everybody screamed right when the lights went out.
No, we screamed.
Yeah, we had to leave IKEA.
yeah.
We
We had
evacuated.
to evacuate because of the stupid power thing. But like it's so annoying because Haley's mom had all of her stuff and she was next in line. It made a
And
leak.
then right
And
when
we
she got
wanted-
to the
Oh, it's on all
register.
about it.
We wanted to get waters, and then right when we got up to the question, the cashier, they told us that we had to evacuate.
Yeah.
And same thing happened to my mom. My mom got right up to the register and they were like, sorry, we're evacuating.
And now we're stuck in traffic trying to get out of here.
Yeah, this is gonna be easy. So enjoy some singing. This is fun.
Rams in the center.
Everybody flip them off. Kidding! I'm kidding!
Three, two, one. Couple billion in the whole wide world. The last minute.
The last second.
For the timer, the phone fell.
Look, they're all on your boyfriend.
I would.
The people that are showing up right now, if they just reopened, they're so lucky.
That kid just ran in the building. She's like 2.
I know.
Not even. She was so small.
It's like the kid at the quiet place running by.
Yeah, that was so funny.
We can
Slap tennis. Yeah, but you have to slap each other.
Yeah, no.
Maybe you gotta put both your hands in. Wait, you're not even in the camera. Yeah.
Go. See, you slap my hand. You start soft though, and then you get harder and harder. I don't have a
And
good
whoever does not say mercy.
Wait, can we switch?
Don't hit her. For me, I keep
Remember how excited Katie was when we saw them? Ava was there too.
Where? One Direction?
No,
Just wanna make it. You gotta go harder.
can't go. I'm not.
they're so close.
Wanna kiss you like Prince.
We were at the Rotary. Can I say this?
my hand.
Ava won because she's.
Ava's hand is way redder.
I don't take pink. And it's so good. So that is the end of this IKEA vlog. We're in a different store now, just getting some food and stuff. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you next week and peace out. Peace.
Bye,
love.
say bye. Bye, guys.